I have lotion.
Ooh.
Lotion! I'm not gonna actually get any because I don't like how it feels between my fingers, but I'll open it and close it. You want some?
I'll have some.
Wait, make sure it's not expired.
Whatever. I'm sure it won't kill me.
Why did you bring an expired hand lotion?
She asked for lotion and I brought it.
Why did you bring an expired?
Because I'm not buying. It's practically full. I just never used it. Sorry, it smells good. I haven't given her any.
But
Here.
it must not be expired. Oh,
Tell me
that's
when
enough.
it's
Oh wait, that is
that's
a
enough.
lie. Oh god. Oh no. Oh god. I hate it. I'm sorry. How do you make it sound gross?
It always sounds gross.
It's always gross.
Am I doing this right?
I don't know. This is correct.
You are all I long for, all I worship and adore.